DeLorean. The story is some Star Wars historians deep in debate, but they play at Bennigan's.
Hey, welding fans. Welcome to episode 15 of Adventures in Welding. First off, I just want to say thanks for watching. And if you're enjoying the videos, I hope you'll subscribe. Anyway, in this episode, we're taking a look at the Harbor Freight 6-inch cutoff saw. That's part number 61204, made by Drillmaster. 5.5 amps, cuts 0 to 45. Maximum RPM is 5,000 with a 7/8 inch arbor size.
Hey guys, here we are at the second part of our review. This is the Chicago Electric 6-inch cutoff saw. It uses 6-inch abrasive discs, 120 volt. This safety guard here causes some problems. I'm sorry, this is Drillmaster from Harbor Freight. So I've got it taped up and out of the way. I got some 1-inch square tube here. That's we'll chuck that up. Let's see how it cuts.
Alright, here we go with the cut. I am applying very gentle pressure here. I don't want to hog into this metal or burn up the motor. It's working real nice. I know it's cutting. I had some trouble getting the blade tightened on, but once I got it straightened out, it went pretty well. I don't, however, think the fence was at a true 90-degree angle, so I'm going to have to check that to make
That's looking pretty good right there. Hit the edges with the sanding wheel and got a nice surface. Now it also has an adjustable fence, but they don't give you the proper Allen key. So I'm using mine here. We'll adjust this to 45. The fence is marked at 15, 30, 45 with, tick marks in between. So we'll put that bad boy on 45. Snug it down. Now look at this. There's really not a lot of room. I mean, that is opened up as far as it can. That won't fit in there. So, unless you're cutting some really thin stuff, you're not going to be cutting any 45s with this thing. Out of 10, The straight cut was very smooth. I went really slow. I didn't want to burn up the motor. I don't know. The cut was fine. It needs a bigger plate. So that you can cut something that's 1 inch wide at a 45 degree. On the plus side, that flips up and it's adjustable. So you don't have to spend your life screwing stuff in and out. About a 3. But it was on sale for $44. What can I say?